Okay. So Chika, akwụkwọ means my book. Now, when you say akwụkwọ, remember akwụkwọ can be book or paper. Okay, so when you say akwụkwọ, it can be my book or my paper. Now, I saw a snake is different. Ahụrụ m agwọ. Agwọ is a snake. Okay, see that? Agwọ means snake. So agwọ is not akwụkwọ. Agwọ is snake. When you say I saw a snake, ahụrụ m agwọ. Agwọ. So maybe you're confusing it with something else. So, but if I open it up, that one is not in the quiz today, but I'll go back and look at what you're saying, okay, in case if it's there, but know that there are two different things, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so, but if you find it again, you can take a picture of it and send to me, okay?
Okay.
All right, so guys, we need to start. We're not waiting for anybody anymore. Okay, somebody, is there any other person? Does anybody have a question before we can start the quiz? Okay, if you don't have a question, then we need to start a quiz. Is this showing here? I don't want to do this. All right. So, where's my Kahoot? All right. Everything is blocking. I don't know why it's blocking like this. All right. Okay, so, do I have everything open? 1 second, everyone. I need to close this down. Where is my Kahoot? I don't know where it is. Okay, I don't know what's happening here. One second, the thing is just, it's like it logged off. Let me log in again. I don't know why it's doing this. Guys, 1 second, because my Kahoot is just acting up now that we're about to start. I don't know why it's doing that. It was on before. No, it's no longer on. I want to go to the library. Okay. Okay, so no, we're not doing this one. I just want to go to the library. Wow. 1 second, let me find out what's going on. Okay, library, I see it. Okay, guys, we're going to do the kitchen test today. All right, so I'm gonna get this one out. And we're going to start. Everybody get ready. Remember, we did our kitchen test last week, and we're going to do first individual, then we do group. So get ready. You see the pin? Everybody put your pin. We need to do it fast, guys, so that we have chance to do one more quiz. Everybody put in the pin. Izunna once, Izunna na-eweli aka elu, okay. Izunna ị nwere ajụjụ? Izunna ngwa ajụ ajụjụ. Izunna just Oluchi. Izunna, go ahead and unmute yourself. You have a question.
But Izunna once I would imagine you.
Okay.
So it's not letting me exit the thing so I can go
pin?
to no, it's not letting me exit the Zoom thing to go on the Kahoot.
Okay, do you have your Onyekachi or Ifeanyi there to help you?
I think they went somewhere.
No, no other person is at home, your dad or your mom?
Only me and my dad.
Okay, can you call your dad to help you out? Tell your dad auntie wants him to help you out.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead. We wait for you, okay? Okay, everybody go ahead. We're still waiting for a lot of people to call in. I know some of you are 2 there. Some of you are 2, some of you are 3, but you still have to put in your PIN. So we have 3 more minutes, we start. So after this, we do the individuals. After we do the individual, we do group. But I need everybody to get in. I only have 12 people in already. I need at least 8 more people to call in. Everybody should get in. Is there any other person having problem? If you're having problem, let me know now. Get your hand up. Oluchi, I saw your hand up before. Are you having problem? Let me go ahead and unmute everybody so that you can answer. Oluchi, do you still have problem?
No, I just wanted to confirm the web address, but I'm in now.
You're in, good. Okay, if another person is having problem, please let us know. We are starting in the next minute. And Izuna, if you're not able to join us on this one while you get your daddy to help you, you can join us on the next one, okay?
Okay.
Is your daddy helping you now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Dalo Mazin up.
Oh, good morning.
Good morning, sir. Because help me a call, but I don't quiz. Oh.
Yeah, I thought I'd be here. I don't na phone.
Okay, yeah, I want a quiz today. I don't know computer and switch every abanye na quiz. Or we can use another device to be able to get in at the class when we can take a quiz.
Okay,
So,
okay.
In your need, we go to here, maybe Google Chrome, then tinye Kahoot in here, no, here. Kahoot.it. Then tinye the pin on our screen.
Can let my phone on we can use phone. Okay, thank you.
Okay, Dalo Sao. Okay. Okay, everybody, who else are we waiting for? Who else? Okay, somebody is having, who else is having problem here? Kedonya also name a problem. If you're having problem, raise your hand. Let me help you how to get. We still need about 4 people to get in this quiz now. We need 4 more people to call in. We're waiting for 4 more people. For those of you coming in now, go ahead and put in the pin. We're about to start in the next 30 seconds. Izuna, if you're not able to get in onto this one, wait for the next one, okay? Okay, guys, we need to start now because I want us to do 2 quizzes. For those coming in now, can you go ahead and put in the pin? Put in the pin that is on the screen. If you can put the pin, you should be able to get in. Okay, we're starting now. Some of you are coming late. We are not gonna wait for everybody. Okay, Alicia, you are in. We still have like about 8 people not in this class, but we are going. Oh, Izu is in. Yay! Izu got in. Okay, we still have like 5, 6 people not in. Okay, you guys should wait for the next one. We can't keep waiting. All right, they're ready. It's 5 seconds. You need to do fast. The questions are 5 seconds. So you need to answer it fast. You have only 5 seconds to answer the question. Don't skip it. You have to really answer something. And make sure you're not there helping your sibling. I don't want anybody help you out. If you're
He's
there,
not here.
Emeka and Kamsi, do not help your siblings. I don't want you to be there to help them. I don't
He's
want
not
you
here.
helping you.
He's not here.
Okay, good. You all should do your work. Let's see who is leading. Wow, somebody is leading already. We went over this in the class. You're supposed to know all of them. Unu kwesịrị ịma ha ncha. Maka anyị mere ya izu gara aga. Wow. Sponge. Some of you are coming late. You have to wait until we start another quiz. So those of you coming in now, you need to wait for us to start another one. You can't come in to this one. Okay, let's see the winners. The third person, Ebuka. Second person, Dozie. Now the first person, Nkechi. Wow, awesome, guys. That's good. You guys did very well. That's good. All right. So if we start reviewing now, it will take all our time, but let's just finish. Let's do another, let me see. Let's see the summary here. So if you go through the summary, because I will post it and then you can go over. Kitchen things, only 8%. Probably like just one person. So 8%, 2 people only got it. You see, in here, they non-useku are kitchen things. So when I post it, you see how you did. Kitchen things are in here, they non-useku. All right, so let's review it quickly and see. Now, stove. Stove, the answer is okpukpu. Okpukpu is stove. Okpukpu. I'm surprised, only 3 people got it. That's good though. Scoop, 12%. Maybe 2 people only, wow. Scoop, eku. Scoop is eku. All right. Now, let's see if we can review it fast. They do not have fork. Ha enwege fork, ndodo. Fork, ha enwege ndodo. Let's see, 3 people got it. 4 people got it. Ha enwege ndodo. That's the answer. Whoa, 12 people missed this question. Oh my God. 12 people said ha nwere ndodo, which means you still don't know how to say ha nwere na ha enwege. Okay, so 12 people missed this. Wow, guys, that is a lot. You shouldn't miss this answer. Okay, so that is a lot. So if 12 people missed this question, only 4 people got it. Now pay attention. They do not have fork. Ha enwege ndodo. It means you didn't review your notes, your class note. Okay. Now we have another one. Ahihia nri. Well, 20 people. Wow, that's awesome. I didn't know you know ahihia nri is vegetable. Ahihia is vegetable, okay? Ahihia nri is vegetable, okay? Means vegetable that you used to cook. 5 people said mashed yam. So the 4 people said mashed potato. 7 people, no answer. Okay, everybody make sure you answer. You need to join the group to do this. Even if you don't know it, you have to. You have to at least guess something instead of not answering anything. Okay, so ahihia is vegetable. Sponge, 4 people got it right. Sponge is obo, 5 people got it right. Sponge is obo. Obo is the sponge, it's called obo. We went over this in class. My sister is in the kitchen. My sister is in the kitchen, okay? 5 people got it right. Nwanne m nwaanyị nọ na usekwu. 9 people say nwanne gị nwaanyị nọ na usekwu. Now you have to know the difference here, please. Nwanne m nwaanyị, my sister. And that's the one. Remember that possessive. Nwanne m nwaanyị, okay? Okay, so pay attention to that. Wait. Okay, machete. 25 people. Got it? Mma ekwu is kitchen knife. Mma ekwu is kitchen knife. Now, mma oge is machete, but you call it machete. Okay? 9 people did not answer. Oh no, which means you are not participating. Unu ga-echichi ike join us za ihe a na-eme. Kitchen knife. 25 people. Kitchen knife is mma ekwu. Mma ekwu is kitchen knife. All right, so mma ekwu is kitchen knife. 17. Gbanye mmiri na afere. 6 people got it. Gbanye mmiri na afere. Pour water in a plate. Pour water in a plate. That's what it is. Gbanye mmiri na afere. Put the light on. Means gbanye ọkụ. When you're putting light on, gbanye ọkụ. Put the light off. Gbanyụọ ọkụ. Gbanyụọ ọkụ means to put it off. Gbanye ọkụ is to put it on. I don't have a pot cover. Enweghị m. I don't have. Enweghị m okwuchi ite. Pot cover is called okwuchi ite. Enweghị m okwuchi ite. Pot cover. Okay. Fork is called ndodo, or you can call it fork in Igbo. Okay. Ndodo. Ndodo is fork. Put the light off. Gbanyụọ, it means to put it off. Gbanyụọ ọkụ. You see the difference there? Gbanyụọ ọkụ means to put it off. Gbanye ọkụ is to put the light on. Gbanyụọ is to put it off. Gbanye to put it on. Rag. Rag is called nkereka aqua. Nkereka aqua is rag. It's nkereka aqua. Nkereka aqua. Spoon is called ngaji. A lot of people got it. That is 3%. I won't say a lot of people because, wow, 67% didn't get it. Okay, spoon is ngaji. Ngaji. You are supposed to know what spoon is, okay? What is called. Rag is called nkereka aqua. Rag is nkereka aqua. Rag, nkereka aqua. Spoon, ngaji. Broom. Wow, 33% got it right. Broom is azeza. Azeza. Remember, I told you there's something else called azeza is question. Azeza, question. Azeza, broom. Azeza, broom. Okay, that's it. All right, so now we're going to do it again. We're going to do a group 1 now. So everybody, if you didn't get in on to the first one we did, if you didn't get in on the first one we did, please make sure you get in here now. We're going to do a group 1. So we're doing group this time. So let me see how many group I'm going to create here. Come on, library, I need a library. Okay, so team mode, we're doing a team mode. Let me see how many team we're going to have. Oh, come on. Team mode, teams and share. How many teams comes up? Let's see. Okay, we have Team Fire, Team Ocean, and Team Sunshine. Let me create one more team. So we have Team Fire, Team Ocean, Team Sunshine, and Team Sunset. We have 4 teams. 4 teams. Team Fire, Team Ocean, Team Sunshine, and Team Sunset. Everybody need to be in every, don't just go and cluster in one group. Team Sunset, we have 5 people there. We don't need any more, 4 people there. So, and then we have three on there now. Team Sunshine, Team Ocean, we have 4 for now. We need somebody to get in Team Fire. Okay, we have 4 in each group. We still have some people to get in. Join the group, guys. Everybody, I want everybody to join the group, please. Some of you don't have a group yet. You need to get in a group. So Team Ocean has 5 now. And I need the rest of you to get in other groups. Okay, Team Sunshine has 5 too. Good. Now we still have some people to get in. 4 more people to get in the group. So Team Sunset 5, Team Ocean 5, Team Sunshine 5. So we're waiting somebody to get in Team Fire. All right, we're not gonna wait forever, so we're going to start. But it would be nice you join others. Okay, so team, so you guys are 5 now, good. All right, so let's start. Don't forget you have 5 seconds. You have to really learn to answer fast. After going over, some people are still missing it. I just went over this thing and some of you are still missing it, right? Awesome. We just went over this one and wow, some people still missed it. We just went over, guys. We just went over. put the light on. So you should know which one is it. To put it on. Mm. Gbanye mmiri na efere. Gbanye mmiri na efere. Mụnye ọkụ. Mụnye ọkụ. I have 7 questions left here. Ofe. Eshiri m ofe. Eshiri m ofe. Eshiri m ofe. Anyị nwere ajụjụ anọ fọrọ. I don't have a pot cover. I don't have a pot cover. Okay? Only 2 people missed it this time. They do not have fork. Okay, my sister is in the kitchen. The last question. All right. Right, let's see. The third person here. Team Fire, the third team. Team Fire is the third. Team Sunshine, second. Oh, Team Ocean. Guys, awesome. Team Ocean. So people in this group, you guys did very well. Awesome. Wow. So let's see the summary. This is the podium. All right, so I don't know why the cutting board, only few people got it. We need to really do well. All right, so we're gonna need the feedback here. All right, show feedback. All right, so you see feedback there. So you see feedback there. So show what you need to show. And then, all right. I'll call you back. Okay, and then the summary here. All right. Okay, good job, guys. So I will put this Kahoot and I will post it so that you see how you did. You need to see how you did and see, go over. What I will advise is to go over and review. Review everything about these kitchen things. You need to know them. Okay. So don't just say, oh, okay, I know it. No, you have to go and review it. Okay. All right. So next week I will be out of town in Chicago. We are performing in Chicago. So we are